Good morning, everybody. Mark Finan here in the home weather office. This is the morning briefing on the 5th day of May, 2023. It is Friday, heading into the weekend, and there has been concern about the weekend, especially what we're expecting during the day on Saturday. So that's what I want to do this morning is focus in on the timing for Saturday. I know there are a lot of outdoor plans for Saturday, weddings, car shows, and tons of things that I can't even think of. And there's also some concerts and that sort of thing. So we are getting a better idea of what is likely to happen during the day on Saturday. So I'll show you the latest models. Part of the day it will rain, so some of the plans may not get in, but others likely will. Let me show you what's happening on this Friday morning. This is a beautiful satellite image. So much going on here. We have here, there is this low that's been in our area that's now finally lifting out toward Idaho. And then you can see the circulation behind it dragging clouds down into the Northeast Plateau. And then out here in the Pacific, we have more clouds coming our way. Now, if I zoom in on this a little bit, you'll see that in the valley, there is some clearing going on. We also still have low clouds in some of the coastal hills, low clouds kind of banked up against the west slope. And the west slope is probably going to stay socked in with clouds throughout much of the day. And if we are going to see any showers today, it would be here on the west slope and maybe some snow showers on the Sierra with no impact on Sierra travel during the course of the day today. But for the valley, we'll be in and out of some clouds and sun during the day, but another cool day with temperatures staying in the 60s throughout the day. So yeah, a very cool day when the average daytime high is 78 degrees. So let's get to this. This is I'm going to show you a couple of different models here. So we'll start with the HRRR. So this is a nice high-resolution model, and as we go through the day today, this is this afternoon. You can see the couple of showers popping up along the crest of the Sierra right here. And there will be some showers on the north end of the valley, and maybe even a couple of showers in the LA basin, but for the most part, today is going to be a drier day than what we saw yesterday. This is 5 o'clock. You can see that next area of rain here off the coast. We may start to see some rain late tonight. This is 5Z, which is 10 o'clock tonight. Rain breaking out. So I'm not sure how Lake Country in the Park goes tonight at Cal Expo, but we may get some rain before that ends. Then as we get into the overnight hours, this is when we'll see some of the best rain. This is 5 o'clock in the morning Saturday. It's raining in Butte County, Sacramento County, but the farther south you go, the less rain we do have. Rain and snow in the Sierra. Again, that's 5 o'clock. And then this is, I'll stop it here. This is 10 o'clock in the morning. We have rain. So that's why I say, for those of you that have morning plans in, let's say, in Placer County, Sacramento County, and into the Bay Area, there will be showers up until 10 or 11 o'clock in the morning. And for those of you on the west slope, including Angels Camp and Sonora, we will likely have rain around up until 10 o'clock or so in the morning. So that's a snapshot of 10 o'clock in the morning. Then the wild card for tomorrow is the possibility of thunderstorms. This is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. That's what we'd be looking at here. Possibility of some downpours. And so there's Sacramento County right there. So this would include areas like Grass Valley and Roseville and Auburn. And then this one would be in Stockton, Lathrop, Manteca, maybe into Modesto. The possibility of thunderstorms. The best chance of thunderstorms, I think, is going to be from Butte County to the north. Let's go to 5 o'clock. This is 5 o'clock. Best chance of rain here is Butte County to the north, as well as above Highway 49. And as you can see, the valley is now drying out. So if your outdoor plan is in the afternoon or into the early evening, that should be okay. This is 8 o'clock in the evening, and then everything dissipates shortly after that. It's going to be hit and miss. I'll tell you, this is far from a slam dunk that it's going to clear out in the afternoon, but that's just the way the day is going to go. Let me show you the way the NAM Nest is going to show this, so just a different perspective on this from another model. I'll go to 5 o'clock in the morning. This one seems to be a bit more widespread in terms of the rain, but this isn't as high a resolution as the other model is either. So this is 6 o'clock in the morning on Saturday, widespread rain. Clearing in the afternoon. This is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Let's see if this one pops up any thunderstorms. This one pops up fewer thunderstorms into the afternoon. This is 5 o'clock. It's similar. Some instability in Butte County and to the north. Showers on the west slope, drying in the valley. Again, that's 5 o'clock. and then things dry out as we head into the evening. And right now, Sunday looks like it's going to be a nice day. So for Saturday, well, and let's just talk about the weekend. So Saturday, yeah, I do think that for many areas, morning plans, like I said, I think there's a car show going on in the morning. I think there's going to be some rain in the area. It's just not going to be a great morning. And if you have, a tea time, a morning bike ride, whatever it might be, Saturday morning is the best chance of rain, better chance of clearing for the afternoon. And then for the Sunday, well, Sunday's a dry day. Sunday's going to turn out fine. So if you're just trying to pick one day of the weekend to do something outdoors, Sunday is going to turn out to be the better day. All right, let's talk about the bigger picture here, though, and go beyond the weekend, because, man, we have been seeing this cool weather last for, well, a while. Temperatures in the 60s to around 70 over the weekend. So let's talk about how this is all going to evolve here over the next week or so. So I'm going to go to the 500 millibar chart here, and here we are right here, and then here's that cool flow, and here comes the little wave that goes through on Saturday. That lifts out, so Sunday turns out to be a nice day. Mini ridging here. Maybe get as high as 70 degrees or so on Sunday. Sunday's going to be a nice day. Still cool for this time of year, but a nice day. This little wave on Monday, we have been including the chance of some showers on Monday, but it looks as though most of that is going to stay north of, let's say, Butte County. So we might still see some rain in Redding, Shasta area, but it would all be very light. But still, this is a very cool pattern once again. Let's get into the day on Tuesday. A little trough digs through, but that looks as though it's going to stay dry. And then beyond that, look at how things change. Here comes the cold air. This is Wednesday night. The cold air is moving out. A ridge is moving in. And then this is Thursday. This is Friday. This is next Saturday. So this is Mother's Day weekend. A big ridge of high pressure, offshore flow. And not only are we going to clear out as we head toward the end of next week and next weekend, for Mother's Day weekend, we could be seeing temperatures in the 90s. So we'll go from highs in the 60s this weekend to highs in the 90s next weekend. That's springtime. That is springtime. A little bit of everything tossed in. So I hope I was able to answer some of your questions about the weekend, especially tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be a little dicey. Not a perfect day, but if you've got a wedding, you're not going to postpone it. You just have to hope for the best. And again, I do think that the afternoon and evening is going to work out a little bit better than what we'll see in the morning. So that's everything I've got for you this morning from the home office. I will be on KCRA tonight at 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, and 11. And I'll provide more updates starting on Sunday evening to give you an idea of the week ahead. So make it a great Friday. Enjoy your Friday. Enjoy your weekend. And I'll talk to you later.